guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abdul. Today I'll be doing another installation of a tailgater for my tailgate here. As you all know, the space with the Jeep here in the back is limited, so any surface area that we can use, always would love to use it. So today I will be installing the tailgater from Outback. It's a pretty good quality with a cutting board. It's bamboo. Came out pretty good package with instructions, but should be just removing this and then placing some inserts into the four slots in here, and then one here, one here. So with that, let's get started. Don't need this anymore. So we should be using 1, 2, 3, 4 and leaving this one. And then 1 and this 2. Okay. Should just go right in. The instructions, it goes here on the top one, this corner, so just go ahead and put it in, and then second last one. Okay, so as you can see, these plastic insert, they call them blind inserts. I put them in all 4 locations, and then one here for instructions. But what they want us to do now is kind of put your screw right in the middle, so to create an opening. This way when you put the tailgater, you will have that opening, and that has to be done. Just give it just make sure it's right in the middle. And that's about it. So you got to do this for all of them. Just need to align, use some sort of support to align the holes. So just get it going. Make sure you have the 4 corners set up first. There you go. It's my cooking surface. So this is how much clearance you need from inside. Let me show you inside here. This is the clearance that you would need. Probably, I would say 3 inches. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll do a full review on how it is after, of course, I use it on a few trips. But knowing about this from other users and all the reviews, I think it's a pretty good product. So I'm happy I have it on. Thanks for watching.